Namaste everyone, my name is Lakhan Panchal and here we have chapter number 3 from Hornbill class 11th and the name of the chapter is Discovering Tut. So let's see what all we are going to study here. First of all, we'll start with the explanation to each paragraph, then meaning of the difficult words and phrases, antonyms, synonyms, question and answers followed by each paragraph. So let's go ahead. Paragraph number 5. After months of carefully recording the Pharaoh's funerary treasures, Carter began investigating his 3 nested coffins. So after the discovery of the tomb, he recorded the funerary treasures. Funerary treasures means the treasure which was buried at the time of funeral. So some new words from the paragraph, and the first is funerary, that means relating to funeral. Second is treasure. Treasure is a quantity of precious metals, gems and other valuable objects. Carton began investigating. Then Carton started investigation. The 3 nested. 3 nested means 3 layered coffins. Nested means placed or stored one inside the other. Coffin is what? Coffin is a long narrow box typically of wood in which a dead body is buried or cremated. Opening the first, Carter opened the first layer and he found a shroud adorned with shroud is a cloth or an enveloping garment in which a dead person is wrapped for burial. So, and the second word is adorn means made more beautiful or attractive. So this garment, he found a shroud, and this garment adorned with garlands of willow and olive leaves, wild celery, lotus petal and cornflowers, the faded evidence of a burial in March or April. So to see this, willow and olive leaves, celery, lotus petal, what he concluded with, that this burial, this funeral took place either in the month of April or March. When he finally reached the mummy, though he ran into trouble. Faded means fainted. Ritual means a religious or solemn ceremony. The ritual resins. Resins is what? Resins means a sticky, flammable organic substance, a sticky substance. So the ritual resins had hardened, and as they had hardened, they also cemented Tut to the bottom of a solid gold coffin, and no amount of legitimate force could move them. As they had hardened, no amount of legitimate force could move them, Carter wrote later. Then what to do? What was to be done? Because he wanted to remove mummy from the coffin, but there was a problem, that the ritual resins had hardened and they cemented Tut to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. So what was to be done? Synonyms from paragraph number 5. What you have to do here is choose the correct word which is not a synonym of the word given. So there is a word with 3 options, but you have to choose the word which is not a synonym of the given word. So the first word is careful with 3 options: accurate, choosy, heedless. Word number 2, pharaoh. Options are emperor, slave, monarch. Number 3, nested, housed, installed, planted. Word number 4 with 3 options: beautify, garnish, uglify. Word number 5, burial. Options are dark, funeral, deposition. Last word is bottom, and options are basement, ground and top. So you can pause the video and write your answer. Correct answers are A, heedless, 2, slave, 3, housed, 4, uglify, 5, dark and 6, top. another quiz, that is antonyms. So choose the correct antonym of the given word. So again we have word with three options, and the first word is later, and the three options are evening, before, recently. Word number 2, harden. Three options are dissolve, solidify, cement. Word number 3, solid, that is weak, sorrow, brave. Word number 4, finally, and the options are beautify, inconclusive, certainly. Word number 5, trouble. Options are benefit, difficult, ease. You can pause the video and write your answers. Correct answers are 1, before, 2, dissolve, 3, weak, 4, inconclusive, 5, ease. Question and answer. Question number 1 from this paragraph is, how did Carter examine the coffin? And the value point to write this answer could be, opened the first coffin and found a shroud, finally reached the mummy, ritual reagents hardened the mummy. So with the help of these value points, you can write the answer to this question. Then comes the question number 2, that is, how did the third layer of the coffin trouble Carter? So when he reached the mummy, so there was a problem. So to write the answer, here you can use the value points mentioned here. Number 1, ritual reagents hardened the mummy. That was a problem, trouble, cementing tooth, and it cemented the mummy. Second, and third, you can write no legitimate force work, means to remove it. No legitimate force could be exerted. So this is how you can write the answers to the questions. Paragraph number 6. The sun can beat down like a hammer this far south in Egypt. So as the cemetery is situated in far south in Egypt, the sun there shone very strongly, and Carter tried to use it. It refers to the sun. So Carter tried to use it to loosen the resins, as the resins had hardened and Carter wanted to loosen them. He used sun, and for several hours he set the mummy outside. He set the mummy outside means he kept mummy outside in blazing sunshine. Blazing is what? Blazing, burning brightly and strongly. Blazing sunshine that heated it up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature was 149 degree. It heated it to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. But nothing bulged. Bulged means swelled or bent. He was expecting that the sun can loosen the resins, but nothing happened. He reported with scientific detachment that what he said afterwards, the consolidated means joined things into one. The consolidated material, the material which is hardened. So the consolidated material had to be chiseled away. Chiseled away, to cut with a chisel. What is a chisel? Chisel is an instrument. So he said the consolidated material had to be chiseled away from beneath the limbs and trunk. Where was this material? Beneath. Beneath means under the limbs and trunk, before it was possible to raise the king's remains. So if he wanted to take the remains of the king, it was not possible unless the material had to be chiseled away. Here we have synonyms, and the instruction is choose the correct word which is not a synonym of the word given. So the first word is resin, and options are wax, liquid, rise. You can write your answers on a blank page and you can check them after the questions. And the question number 2, remain. Remain with 3 options: continue, linger, and main. Word number 3, that is possible. Options are possess, available, achievable. Word number 4, beneath. Options are below, breath and underneath. Correct answers are rise, men, purges and breathe. Questions and answers from the paragraph. So the first question from the paragraph is, what kind of help did Carter take from the sun? So here, to loosen the ritual resins, Carter took help from the sun. So here the question is asking what kind of help. So the value point to write the answer could be, used heat of the sun, might loosen the resins, set the mummy outside the blazing sun. So with the help of these value points, you can write the answer to this question. Second question comes, describe the steps taken by Carter to remove the mummy from the coffin. So the value point to write the answers are, used manual efforts, set the mummy outside in the sun, and finally decided to chisel away. So write the answers of these two questions using these value points.